Hey everyone, Lucas Purden here from Paul Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio. Today we're looking at stock number 29230T. It is a 2020 Chrysler Pacifica L Plus Touring. It is bright white clear in color. Nice black mesh grille up front for contrast. Fog lights down low. 18-inch alloy wheels. Keyless go entry. This vehicle does come equipped with auto start stop, fuel saving technology. Inside on the doors you got your power equipment for your mirrors, windows, and locks. Also memory for up to 2 different drivers. Heated leather seats. Heated wrap steering wheel. Your voice recognition controls on here to make all your hands-free phone calls. Cruise control as well. 8.4-inch Uconnect touchscreen radio with Sirius XM satellite radio, and also it is equipped with Sirius Guardian, if you can see up here, for direct assistance with emergency personnel. Center console has your cup holders and storage area, which you can close here. Storage area down low, also with some USB ports. This does have Uconnect Theater, so it has your Blu-ray player here, some more USB and auxiliary ports. Take a look in the rear. Stow and go seating. Nice leather seats back here. You got seating for 7. Your Uconnect Theater, touch screens, HDMI USB ports, headphone ports. Also on the other side has its own. They can be used independently or synced together. Rear seating, you got some USB and cup holders there for your rear passengers. Your climate control up here for your rear passengers as well. Power sliding doors. Rear backup camera. Cross path detection sensors on the back. Spacious cargo area. Also has some storage area on the sides. 12-volt outlet. Power lift gate. Again, we're looking at stock number 29230T. It's a 2020 Chrysler Pacifica Touring L Plus. I'm Lucas Purden. Come visit me at Paul Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio, where you can give me a call at 937-778-0830 or visit us online at sherrychrysler.com.